I already answered question 1 and 2. Third one says Darren Trump was making cookies. He mixed 2 whole 1/2 cups of flour, 1 whole 1/4 cups of white sugar, and 1/2 cup of brown sugar together in a bowl. How many cookies did he have all together?
2 1/2 and then
Yes.
1 quarter.
1/2.
1/2. Let's separate these things. 2 and 1/2. Next 1 and 1/4 and then 1/2.
Yes.
It's easy to add. Half and half. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is 4 and 1/4.
So the answer would be 4 whole 1/4.
Yes.
4 whole 1/4, right?
Yes, right.
Question 4 says Disco Boss is making a new dance outfit.
Okay.
She needs 2 whole 1/2 yards of fabric for the shawl.
Okay.
She needs 1 whole 3/4 yards of fabric for the dress. If she has 3 yards of fabric, how much more does she need? If each yard of fabric costs $7.98, how much does Disco Boss need?
She has 2 and 1/2
Yes.
and then 1 and 3/4.
Mm-hmm.
First, we have to add these two things, these two fractions, 2 and 1/2 and then 1 and 3/4, right? 2, 1/2, it's 1/4 and 1/4. You agree?
Yes.
This is 1/2, so 1/2 is actually 1/4 plus 1/4.
Yes.
Okay. Next, 1 whole 3/4, so 1 and 3/4. 1/4 and 3/4. What's its sum?
The sum would be 4/4.
Yes, 4/4. You got it. This is 1/4 and these are 3/4, right? So 4/4 means it's equal to 1. One complete thing.
Yes.
2, then 1/4, then these two things after being added up 1 and then 1. So let me count 2, 3, 4, 4 and 1/4. She already has 3 in total.
She only needs 1 and 1/4 more. She needs 1/4 more. So that was part A. Now we're gonna do part B of it. I'm gonna go back for part B, and it says if each yard of fabric costs $7.98, how much does Disco Boss need?
For 1 yard, it's $7.98. You have to figure out for what's the price, what's the cost for 1/4, and then we have to add that amount into 7.98. So 7.98 divided by 4.
4.
If it was 8,
8 divided by 4, it would be 2.
it's pretty much easy, right? Let's do this. 7.98 and 2 cents, it will make 8. If we divide this thing by 4, this is the thing we are looking for, divided by 4. This is 2 cents divided by 4.
2 divided by 4. 1 by 2.
So this is 1 by 2 cents.
Oh, cents.
So this thing is
This thing is
$2 minus 1/2 cent. So this is the price for quarter. Just add 7.98 cents
into 2 minus 1 half.
1/2 cent. You have $7 plus $2.
That would be 9.
9. We subtract 1 by 2 half cents from 98, so we left with $9 97 cents and a half cent.
Okay. So the answer would be she needs $9.97 1/2 cent
Yes.
to buy the remaining cloth. And she needs $9.97
7. 1 by 2.
1/2 cents.
Yes.
Now I think this is the last question we will be doing for math. Okay, so can you see?
Yes, I can see.
Bake some cookies. The King C recipe that you have makes 24 cookies, but you only have to make 12. How much of ingredients is needed for half of the serving? Rewrite the recipe when you have figured it out.
The recipe is for 24 and you have to make a new recipe for 12. Means you need half of the ingredients.
Should just look at the recipe because there's lots of fraction numbers there.
Yes.
First one, it says 1 quarter cup of flour,
Okay.
1/8 tablespoon baking soda, 1/8 tablespoon salt,
Okay.
and 1/2 cups salted butter softened, 1/2 cup of honey, 1 cup of chocolate chips, and 1/4 cup wood sugar.
We have to half these fractions. So let's start from the first one. 1 and 1/4. We have 1. We have 1 by 2. And what's the half for 1/4?
The half for 1/4 is 1/8.
Next one is 1 by 8. What's the half for 1 by 8?
1/16.
Yes, 1 over 16. This is 1 over 16. Next one is again 1 over 16. What's the fourth fraction? 1/2?
1/4.
Yes, 1 over 4.
And again, it will be 1/4.
Yes.
And then the last one will be
no,
1/8.
not last one. You skipped the second last one. 1.
Oh, 1. 1/2?
Yes, 1 over 2. Last one. What's the half for 1/4?
1/8.
1 over 8. We have to solve the first one.
Well, we have to solve for the first one. We have to add it.
Yes. Multiply first fraction by 4 over 4.
That'll be 1/8. Wait, no.
No.
4/8. 4/8. That would be,
So
plus these two will be 5/8, right?
yes, 5 over 8. You got it.
I thought that the bottom number would stay, but the top numbers would be plussed.
Yes, you are right.
Okay, 5/8.
Okay.
And then here was 1/16, right?
Yes, right.
1/16. Then same for the other one. 1/16.
Okay.
And then here was 1/4.
Yes.
1/4.
Okay.
Again, 1/4. 1/4. 1/2.
Yes.
1/2. 1/8. 1/8.
Equal.
Okay.
You missed equal sign.
1/8.
Equal sign. Equal sign.
Oh, sorry. Equal sign. There we go.
Okay.
The last one says rewrite the recipe when you figured it out.
We have done it. We figured it out.
Yes. So we're done this.
Read the 2 lines followed by the recipe in the bottom.
Mix flour, soda, and that's just how if you want to make it.
Okay.
That's just, it's not like there's no decimal point there
Oh, okay, okay,
or
okay.
any fractions. It's just that if you want to make it,
And we
actually
are
make it.
not interested to make.
Yes.